of all, a very good evening, sir. We are very thankful to you for giving us such a great opportunity. Sir, in our project, we are trying to develop an app that is capable of access reporting and to report the incident to the police or emergency services. So first of all, I would like to demonstrate our app that is on its way to prepare. It's the login screen which you can see on your mobiles.
What is the topic of your presentation?
Sir, our topic of presentation is an app that is capable to for SOS reporting, and sir to also help the needies to report the incident in case they are in any trouble.
That is
Or
the
in,
common. What is which niche area you are developing? This is
yes,
called community app for which area?
sir, it's for taxi drivers.
For the taxi driver. So all the time you have to think in terms of taxi driver, how you are benefiting them.
Yes,
So
sir.
you please look into. I have given very detailed deliberation in earlier session. I will not be repeating it. You just go
Yes,
through it. So it gives in very great details. There will be the 4 areas. One is the security areas, that is in home tab also. The
okay, sir.
second would be news. So what news will be important for the sake of the person, basically taxi driver और उस कैटेगरी के लोगों के लिए क्या ठीक रहेगा, नंबर 1. नंबर 2, नंबर 3 उसमें था that how we are satisfying general need, that is say reservation for say getting vehicle, or they themselves are the taxi driver, so I mean may not be requiring, but in any case even in emergency they may also need it. Then bus reservation, train reservation, then air reservation, and similarly the other needs, maybe banking related needs, this related needs, that related needs. And finally it comes to the niche area. So एक ड्राइवर का निश एरिया क्या हो सकता है? जैसे एज्यूम करिए कि he is a driver and maybe having the driving license, but he may not be having the vehicle to drive. So he can apply, or we can help them so that they can join and they can get a vehicle which they can drive responsibly. And before that, they need to get training, so the training should be given to them. And as we are saying that they have to be given behavioral training, they have to be given the professional training. So they should not be in position to drive vehicle properly, but they should be in position to uh, uh, have a polite kind of behavior, and there should not be any kind of negative tendency on the part of the driver, because sometimes the people are afraid that these people are not very good people, and people are, especially in night and especially ladies, they sometimes don't feel comfortable in going in taxi for fear of something wrong might have committed.
Yes, sir.
So how those negative tendency is not only taken care of, but the other person who is looking at, he should have the confidence that nothing negative will happen. So your app has to cater that area. I don't know whether you have done it or not, because welcome, joining, this is all common things, and there may be a number of the features which are available. So you just go through what I have deliberated, and then you do the necessary changes, and then you have to come out with the details. And I am seeing that nothing is being uploaded on the project management tool. So please keep that uploaded. Things should be there. Progress should be reported over there, and through that even the internal meeting should be arranged. So I will come to know कि आप लोगों की internal meeting क्या हो रही है. What are you doing in that? Brainstorming sessions should also be there. So that project management tool is not very properly utilized by you people. So I would request your Praveen sir, he should pay little more attention in this dimension, and you as a group should also pay little greater attention. Keep updated your project on the project report, because ultimately that will be one of the very important assessment which will be, I mean, which will be seen whether you have methodologically submitted everything over there or not.
Okay, sir.
So you pass on. I mean, these are the general feature. I think you should not waste your time. You come to the directly to that other part. Even
Yes, sir.
don't waste the time. Even don't waste the time on that, because they are the common feature. So go ahead. Basically, for this feature, we have already said that there will be little competition, and the best feature will be adopted wherever it is available, right? But these are the
Yes.
common features; they will be everywhere. So everybody has to do the login. Everybody has to provide for the security. Everybody has to provide for the lost and found. Everybody has to provide for observation. Everybody have to provide for the traffic challan. Everybody has to provide the similar kind of things. And then there's something called tasking also, and the reward will be flowing automatically from the task they will be getting. So there will be two way of reward when you are submitting some information, and at the back end it is considered uh, fit enough for reward. Number one. Number two, somewhere you are capturing challan itself. So if you are capturing evidence is good enough for the challan, in that case the 50% of the money will come back. So there will be two stream of revenue which will be coming to the person or user of these apps, and that is true for all apps, irrespective of which niche area you are addressing. So even taxi driver, he is on the road, and if he identifies something wrong, and he is having more opportunity to do so, so he would be in position to earn lot of reward out of by capturing violations. Okay,
Okay, sir.
go ahead.
Yes, sir. Sir, so in our app, we are having around 5 to 6 modules. Sir,
Now you go to the core areas.
yeah, yes, sir. Actually, for the taxi drivers, our plan is ready, but we not yet implemented, and the remaining portion is completed.
No, but basically that is your niche area.
Yes,
These
sir.
are the common features. Anyway, now this what we decided in all apps, these are the common things, and
Yes,
everyone has done something very good and peculiar. So a team will be picking up what is the best there, and the best will be taken, and it will be then available in all apps uniformly,
okay, sir.
right? And
Uh,
I have already briefed Dr. Sisi Sandyal. मेरी आपकी प्रवीण सर से बात नहीं हुई है, and I have briefed him that there is something called the backend services, and there is something called front end customization. So the front end customization will take place on the basis of the profile of the person. So app will be customized so that it should be as thin as possible. Number one, and but it has to serve all those four basic purposes which we have already elaborated. And we will try that majority of the processing should be done in the cloud space, so that it will stay thin. And moreover, the cloud space will be having the better processing speed, better support system. So app will act faster.
okay, sir.
Making sense?
Yes, sir. Our app is also backend. Like we don't have to. It's completely backendless till now. And sir, we have decided in the beginning that we will divide
And
the task.
basically you are not showing me app. You are showing just as a face smile. So I mean that does not mean anything, because it is not interactive. It is just a kind of a presentation. So whether the backend is at all working, we are not very sure.
Backend is working.
This is called wireframe. It is not a
Yes, sir.
functional app. Is it a functional app?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
actually, we have some parts are functional right now, but some we have to still integrate the other parts. Like we have for now, we have completed the SOS part and profile part, and reporting part is also completed. And we have provided some of the services like Google Maps, in which we can see the nearby places. And sir, in SOS, we have provided some features.
I would like to advise your team that you have to really do a lot of hard work. I had given very detailed, what I will like that probably when it will be uploaded, Tanishq, Tanishq,
Yes, sir.
when it will be uploaded.
Sir, today, like by tomorrow.
Okay, so by tomorrow you can see in detail, and then you can have a brainstorming session along with your teacher guide, that is team lead, and then you come out with your revised plan. And after 2-3 days, we would like to reschedule your meeting because आपको तो जो ना टैक्सी ड्राइवर के दिमाग में घुस जाना है.
Yes, sir. We have implemented one thing for the taxi driver.
So please show me. That is the this area. I want to see that. Basically, say somebody can work for the web scraping. That could be common, and that you have to implement for your target area.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Now here you have to think in terms of the taxi driver. How you could be helping him, and helping
Okay.
has to be all encompassing. मतलब उसको जो भी चाहिए वो उसकी जगह पे मिलना चाहिए, उसको भटकने की जरूरत नहीं होना चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
Huh.
Sir, it's the one where we have
मतलब in
implemented.
future he will get the salary through our app.
Yes, sir.
I mean that kind of the things. He should even get the job through us.
Yes, sir. We plan the same. First of all, I would like to show you this feature. Then I will tell you about the plan of the taxi driver.
Okay, please show me. I mean I will be interested in this area what you have really worked.
Yes, sir. In this module, we are trying to report the incident to the police station. This dead body and all these are for the general peoples, not for taxi driver. Where anyone can, if anyone see any dead body, he can report it.
Just a minute. But I suggest that please don't repeat these common things, login
Okay,
and
sir.
all those kind of the things, because you go through my deliberation on that, and then it has to be examined by the group of all three team leads, and the best has to be picked up from everywhere, and then they will become the backend services, selected
Yes,
one.
sir. Yes,
So all app will be having the same feature with the same design.
yes, sir.
So the best design would be created, best feature would be taken. Everyone has done something extraordinary. So now it is time of integration, right?
Yes, sir.
Now your focus will be general needs, because I think there is a need of that all three guides should, along with the you people, should do the brainstorming, and then you can say what kind of the general need we will be serving. जैसे हमने ट्रांसपोर्ट के लिए 4 बातें कही, तो और हर क्या क्या एरिया हो सकता है जो कि कंसर्न के होंगे, एंड एज पर द प्रोफाइल वो अपने आप पॉपुलेट होके उसके ऐप में दिखना चाहिए. सो the things which are not relevant for that person, they will not be part of that app. So app will be dynamically constructed. It will not be a static app, it will be dynamically constructed app.
Yes, sir. Sir, in this feature, we know many times the taxi drivers are in danger if they are having passengers who are having wrong intentions. So, sir, whenever taxi driver feel any kind of danger, he can just write his contact number here.
Here we have to really consider some kind of mutual thing. The person
Okay.
who is using taxi, how to
Yes.
retain his confidence, and how the taxi driver would be promising a better quality to his customer through our app. So need of other also, because taxi driver is a kind of a service. When you
Yes,
talk
sir.
of the service, then we have to talk of the who is taking the service also. So here you have to consider the need of taxi driver and the person who is taking his services, so that we should be in position to make a good marriage of it.
Okay, sir.
Is it
So,
clear?
sir, can I?
Please show it. Whatever you have thought, we will be more benefited by seeing your display. So you please show that.
Okay, sir. So, sir, here we have just taxi driver has to write his own contact and his vehicle number. Suppose anything like this.
Ganesh, do you see that whether you are getting the right kind of clippage for your video recording? Otherwise, it will be a problem for you.
And sir-
So basically, the person should be in video. Then video should be on. You try to see that from that angle also. So if somebody is not following command, so then you have to really make it sure that he should follow command.
Yeah, sir. So, in this feature, we also include OTP verification so that none of the taxi driver can make fake report. Because we know that all policemen are also too busy within their
In
work.
case of the taxi driver, we will be having QR code also.
Okay,
So the
sir.
taxi will also have a QR code in future. and the driver will have the QR code. So when you say scan QR code, we will get the detail of the owner, we will get the detail of the taxi driver, and if you scan the so
Yes,
that
sir.
the photo of the driver will also come, those kind of the things. So basically, it will be kind of a little assurance for the person who would be using taxi.
Yes, sir. We have completed that profile part, and here we are having license information about the taxi information, profile photo, and all the remaining things.
Can you
And sir,
please show me
one
so that I can have a better, greater
yes, sir.
confidence?
We can show you.
Yeah, please.
Just a second, sir. I would like to show you message. Sir, just I click it there. My location, my location along with latitude and longitude, my contact number and vehicle number comes here, sir, which helps the police to reach to the location.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And sir, just a second. So now I would like Anmol will present you the main app where he is having profile section.
Okay.
Anmol, please show the profile section.
Sir, this is the profile section, sir, in which here we will store all the details of the cab driver. Like,
Okay.
uh, yes, sir. Here we are also storing the personal details, including emergency contacts that can be needed in the case of emergencies, so that we can ask for help in those numbers. And we are taking some of the details of the vehicles also, and we are, for genuinity of the user, we are taking their Aadhaar card and license photos also, and we are storing it in the backend.
So that is for the facilitation of the driver, so that उसका चालान ना हो, या you are talking from the point of view of user. What is the focus?
Sir, this
Sir,
is basically.
yes, sir, from the point of view, sir.
Point of view of whom? Taxi
Sir, so
driver
that you,
or user of the taxi?
sir, user of the taxi.
User of the taxi.
Okay.
These informations are basically to be filled by the user of taxi, that is taxi driver or any driver. And these
No,
details.
that this information will be captured at the time of when he is downloading our app.
Yes, sir.
Number one.
Exactly.
Number two, जो है that some kind of QR code would be generated. Then he has to put that QR code right on the vehicle and take a photograph. Then only he will get that kind of thing. So I mean, basically, even if the vehicle is a part of our startup, then QR code has to be there on that windows and everywhere, so that anybody and everybody can scan it and can verify that vehicle किसका है, क्या है, and taxi driver जो है वो कौन है, क्या है, तो वो सब detail, that will be kind of a confidence if you know that this kind of thing has already been done by Delhi police. So
Yes, sir, we know.
If you will search them, then you will find. So we have to go beyond whatever they have done.
Yes, sir.
I mean, they have already done that much. We will go much beyond that. So I would like a little more deliberations to take place on that part. What are the need of taxi driver? This is good. I think I like your lessons, and even the vehicle fitness certificate could be there. And basically they can put it somewhere, and the copy may be available here also.
Yes, sir.
We can even think of a DigiLock would be could be integrated with the DigiLock. That is also one of the things, so that we can keep all the documents in the DigiLock, and the image is available of here, and there is already authentication of his document, so that he need not to carry those as a document with himself as per the DigiLock condition.
Sir, one more app we are now building, like it is under development, in which we will be offering for uh, rides. So just a minute. Sir, this is basically a app which is similar to any app like Ola or Uber, which is basically a cab booking app in which driver can be like uh, सर हम ड्राइवर्स को हायर कर सकते हैं अगर वो इस ऐप वर्किंग मोड में है अगर, और जैसे ही ड्राइवर
Basically, we can visualize the vehicle is coming from the owner. People can apply, and the startup is a person who is maintaining the vehicle of the owner. He is ensuring its regular cleaning. He is ensuring timely maintenance. He is ensuring changing of its cover, and then he is ensuring that the driver should be trained. He should be in proper uniform. He should wear his name plate and everything, including the QR code, so that it can be scanned, and this QR code can only be scanned through our app. So it will be a mutually reinforcing kind of the arrangement that the other party has to have our app. Okay? So it is not a just scanning by any QR code. We will insist that QR code should be scanned through our software, our app. So that kind of integration we have to consider. So here you are showing the location in Prayagraj. So you are in Uttarakhand, eh?
नो सर, उत्तर प्रदेश.
Prayagraj is अच्छा, okay, Prayagraj, Allahabad. Okay, right.
या सर, renamed.
Yeah. Okay, many Prayagraj. Okay, that's okay.
Sir, this is from where a customer can, like, this app will only work with our app, and a customer can book for a cab as we click on
Booking of a app is a general facility which has to be available not only for cab, it is a transportation we said. So booking a app, booking buses, booking of train.
Yes, sir, all kinds of vehicles.
So all four things would be available to just a minute. These all four things would be available to all the people, all the community people as a facility, as a third part of our assurance to them. Now you have to think how we are helping the taxi driver, because your niche area is the taxi driver. So what you are offering to taxi driver? What are their needs? How you are fulfilling those needs?
Yes, sir. One thing we are focusing on, sir, we know in Ola and Uber, they are only hiring the customer drivers for customer services. They are not paying to the driver who are in good services and others. So, sir, in our app, we will try to hire those drivers that are having like Tata Ace and other vehicles. And
देखिए, just a minute. The taxi driver would be having n number of needs, right?
Yes, sir.
One need, the general type of need which any community wala will have, that will be covered in the third app, right? Third part. Fourth part, which is looking into the niche area of that person. So एक टैक्सी ड्राइवर को क्या चाहिए? Number one, उसे support चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
Number two, he needs training. Number three, he needs uniform, and then he needs a job. Job means he need a car. Now fourth would be he should get a handsome remuneration. So what is the remuneration? Remuneration will be based on the services, or there could be other model. But we have to ensure that he should get a good earning out of it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What else could be the need of this person as a profession? Because other need will be accommodated in part 3. Now part 4 is more of a professional need. What could be the other need? Have you tried to apply minds? I will suggest that you can talk to few taxi drivers themselves. Try to have some exploratory dimension and try to find out that what are their needs. एक चार्ट वार्ट बना के 2-4 से 10 टैक्सी ड्राइवर वगैरह से बात करो and let me know whether you can figure it out.
Yes, sir.
What could be their other requirement?
Okay, sir.
जैसे एक हो सकता है कि व्हाट अबाउट उसके जो सेविंग के बारे में, सो दैट जब उसका जॉब बाई चांस कर जाता है तो देयर इज समथिंग ही कैन बैंक ऑन, राइट? अब यदि मान लो उसकी सर्विसेज चली जाती हैं और वो जो है, तो उस समय व्हेन ही इज अनएम्प्लॉयड, कैन वी थिंक ऑफ सम वेलफेयर स्कीम फॉर हिम? बिकॉज हमें उसकी कैरेक्टर में घुस जाना है.
Yes,
और उसके
sir.
कैरेक्टरिस्टिक उसके हमें ये निकालना है, हाउ कैन वी हेल्प आउट दैट पर्सन. आई होप इट इज मेकिंग सेंस टू यू.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that I am not visualizing here that kind of application of mine. Though you have done wonderful job, I am having all appreciation for that. But I feel that probably you have not got into the shoes of taxi driver.
Sir, actually, we have implemented two things for them, and we think a lot. But
Just a minute, just a minute. There are n number of taxis they are already running.
yes, sir.
All the features which are available in them, they should be listed, and we will try to have all those features in our app also, right?
Okay, sir.
So that is the one thing. Now we have to get into the shoes of that taxi driver. एंड अपन को ये देखना है कि उसकी हम क्या क्या उसको मदद की जरूरत होगी एंड हाउ वी विल बी डूइंग दैट जॉब एंड स्पेशली व्हेन ही इज जैसे अपन ने जनरल कह दिया ट्रेनिंग वे वियर यूनिफॉर्म दिस दैट इवन he may not be having a driving license. He is a so giving him training, getting him license, even we can take upon that responsibility on ourselves. So a person can just come and join. A startup would provide a training to them. The startup would help them to get license. The startup would provide them vehicle to use. Our promise is that all vehicle, all human being, everybody, they should be used for 24 hours a day. So when you talk of the 24 hours a day, it means all resources. They should be put to the 24 hour to the use. And they should be consideration कि उसका maintenance कब होगा, उसके जो है ना cleaning कब होगी, उसके cover कब बदला जाएगा. And then we have to look into the dimension कि जो honorary जो है तो if the call is from the honor side, then we intend to give a different kind of the treatment to the honor. And let he should have a feeling he is a privileged person, and because of him 4 to 5% they are getting job. So that kind of sense of humility, sense of respect, sense of gratitude, that should be reflected in the conduct of driver, and then we can say कि how that gratitude should be expressed. तो एक हो गया वर्ड से हो गया है, दूसरा अपन ने कहा कि साहब जो है फ्लावर बर्ड दे दीजिए, and think of how what could be the other ways so that that gratitude should be expressed. So if the gratitude is properly expressed, the owner will feel कि हमने अच्छा decision लिया था.
Yes,
Otherwise he will feel कि he will not feel that. चलो चाय बना लो. What I feel that you people have to really get into shoes of the taxi driver. I will appreciate that in the next 2-3 days you really talk to the many people, as many you can, and come out with something, because this app has to be very very unique.
Okay, sir.
मतलब जो है ना इस ऐप के साथ टैक्सी ड्राइवर की सभी समस्याएं दूर हो जाना चाहिए. Then we have done our job.
Sir, one more thing I found that they are mostly having financial crisis. So, sir, in our app, sir, we also know that they are the one who are mostly out of their houses for the taxis and other things.
Correct.
So, sir,
Now this is a good dimension which you have said कि जब वो बाहर रहते हैं, how their welfare should be looked into.
so
जहाँ
sir,
वो
they
जाते
can.
हैं क्या उनको रहने के लिए कोई जगह हो सकती है क्या?
Yes, sir.
So वो क्या जगह हो सकती है? So can we have some kind of the chain जैसे A and B होता है उसी तरीके का, so that a affordable good rest he should get.
Okay, sir.
I mean so those are the dimensions.
Yes,
And
sir.
we have to understand that ultimately he is taking this much pain for his family, so he should be in position to make sizable saving, and then probably we can even think of we can come out some kind of the financial institution, some kind of banking institution, so the person can even put his saving in that, and then we have to all the time consider that how we can give him the best return out of his investment.
Yes, sir. And sir, therefore, this rewards module will also help them to earn the money and sir, they will be interested to tell the police and other services that there are some incidents in the city and all others.
But that is option available to all community apps.
Yes,
Anybody
sir.
can do the challan, anybody can give information. So that is not very unique to taxi wala. That will be available one to all apps,
Yes, sir.
right? Now
Yes,
you have
sir.
to think, while you are talking about the taxi driver app, it means you have to get into their all problems. I mean, it should be panacea for all kind of the problems. So you have to really first list out what could be the problem and how we are providing the solution to him. And this become a one point solution. वो ऐप उनकी सभी समस्याओं का समाधान होना चाहिए.
Okay,
And
sir.
it should be highly supportive. यदि उसको फाइनेंस की जरूरत है और बैंक इज डूइंग द फाइनेंस, तो it should be available at the subsidized rate.
Yes, sir.
I mean, those kind of the thing. Probably,
Sir, we try our best.
but probably his money may go to the financial institution which we will be creating of the crime-free Bharat. And we must try to offer him highest return on whatever that amount is being invested with that financial institution. I don't know whether these things are making some sense to you, or you are just not in position to grasp them.
No, sir. We
We are
understand.
getting it. We are getting it.
You are fully appreciating, and so I feel that a lot of homework is had to be done by you.
Yes.
है ना? जैसे बुक कैब को बुक करना है, ये टैक्सी ड्राइवर ऐप से बुक थोड़ी होगा, ये तो कम्युनिटी ऐप से बुक होगा. चाहे वो टैक्सी ड्राइवर, चाहे वो टैक्सी बुक करना चाहता हो, चाहे वो जो है ना बस को बुक करना चाहता हो, चाहे वो रेलवे को टिकट बुक करना चाहता हो, चाहे वो एयर का टिकट हो, तो ये फैसिलिटी तो हम सब कम्युनिटी वालों को दे रहे हैं. So this will not be a feature of this is the general feature available to all community people. Now here this particular app should have to consider how we can help that poor taxi driver. उस टैक्सी वाले को हम क्या क्या मदद कर सकते हैं, और क्या क्या मदद कर सकते हैं मीन्स वी हैव टू डू ऑल मदद. इसके बाहर फिर उसको कहीं जाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ना चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
Now that has to be somewhere considered in this format. I will, Bete, you have to do little more brainstorming. I will suggest that whenever you get the opportunity, you will full care of your corona-related safety, maintaining social distance and other things. Still, you try to really try to get maximum details from them. And the best way would be to talking to them and trying to extend what are their requirements. And when we talk of the missed need, जैसे कि हमने किसानों के लिए कहा, ऐसे उनके लिए हम क्या क्या उनकी आवश्यकता है, ये एक ऐप जो है उनके लिए पैनेसिया का काम करना चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
हम उनको हर तरीके की मदद करेंगे, इंक्लूडिंग गेटिंग देम द जॉब ऑफ द टैक्सी ड्राइवर. But at the same time, we will not allow any negative tendency. No negative behavior. There should be humility. There should be respect for the passenger. There should not be Delhi culture like that. कि जैसे दिल्ली में जो है ना बनिया भी यदि उसे लगेगा कि आप जो है उसका सामान खरीद रहे कि नहीं खरीद रहे हैं, तो वो आपको चुभती हुई बात कह देगा. वो इतनी चुभती बात कह सकता है कि अरे जेब में पैसे होते नहीं है, चले आते हैं. This is called the Delhi type behavior. Now this behavior you will not get in UP. This behavior you will not get in Mumbai, because there is a little respect associated. So in our case, that kind of the rude behavior is not permitted. Everybody should be respectful to each other, and that's how let's reinforce respect, humility, good culture, good values, those kinds.
Okay, sir.
So I think it is challenging. I give you next 2 days to work on it, and or you need little more time.
No, sir. 2 days are enough.
No, I am giving you 4 days, right?
Okay, sir.
So in 4 days you have to come out, and then it has to be properly. You have to come out with the back end and things and everything. So you have to demonstrate it. If you need more time, I will give you more time. I am ready to give you 7 days also, but that you do it good job.
Sir, the backend will basically store all the information of that taxi driver. Na?
It is not question of store. The data will be stored in database. So whatever the decision you want to make at the data end, that will sit on the data end side or
Sir,
database side.
please elaborate a little about backends. What are your expectations from the backend of this?
You ask question, I will tell my. Otherwise, they should tell, because they have applied more mind. I have not applied more mind. I have applied the mind. These are the niche group we are supposed to cater for. So when we talk of the taxi driver, why not to think of the truck driver also?
Yes, sir.
Then why you should not think to the bus driver? Taxi driver, or the bus driver, or the truck driver. Probably that is the part of the statement also. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Taxi driver alone. Does it say taxi driver alone?
No, sir. Taxi
sir,
driver, bus drivers.
Or bus driver, or truck driver. So they have to be bracketed together. And then बस ड्राइवर का यदि कोई अलग नीड है, तो जब वो अपने आप को बस ड्राइवर कहता है, तो उसका नीड पूरी होना चाहिए.
Okay.
आप उसके साथ बात करेंगे तो ड्राइवर के साथ ही कंडक्टर जाएगा. जैसे टैक्सी में तो साथ में कंडक्टर होता नहीं, लेकिन बस और ट्रक में तो कंडक्टर या जो हेल्पर होता है वो भी होता है. सो हु विल टेक केयर ऑफ दैट हेल्पर का जो है ना ध्यान कौन रखेगा?
Sir, we.
So I feel that you have to look into the whole canvas. One, taxi driver, bus driver, truck driver, and when you talk of the bus and truck, then you have to talk of the you have to take care of helper or conductor.
Yes, sir.
If you recall that Nirvaya thing happened, it was a bloody game of those people only. So there is a need of safety of the girl, woman, and everybody from this kind of people. Basically, low end people, those who feel that they can do whatever they want, and the freebie culture is also really spoiling them, and because of the board. But somebody has to bring some kind of the value system. Ultimately, how long this kind of nonsense will be permitted? That's why all the time we will say, yes, it is not the only this, but the value also. Otherwise, हम आपके पैसे काटेंगे, and we will convert into the language which they understand. So if you want to get full money, your conduct, your professionalism, your everything should be 100%. It should get 100% value. Then you will get multiplication factor of 1. And if you are not really doing your job properly, then your multiplication factor will come down, and you will not get the full amount. Though remaining amount will be part of that group only, and will be contributed toward their welfare. But it will not be immediately available to that person. And that is a tool which we are using to modify behavior of these people. Is it making sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So have you done something? Would you like to proceed further, or we can terminate our discussion and then we should go for the next group?
Okay, sir. You can go with the next one.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So with this, I would like to thank you, and I expect from the group that I have indicated certain deficiencies, certain area which are requiring little extra consideration, and I am giving you a time of 5 days or a week, whatever you want. You tell me, that much time I will give it to you.
Sir,
Sometimes
for
more time is not advisable because we become lethargic. So 5 days would be enough for you? Or
Yes,
a week?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.